Welcome back to Not a Proper Classic and another W124 unboxing video. Check out the channel later for rough running part 6, yay! But here we've got the coil wiring harness from eBay, from a place in Germany. The only other option I seemed to find was one in Italy, but this one was slightly cheaper. So I've already cut the tape to try and get in, so let's have a go one-handed. Oh, left-handed as well, which is going to be fun. Bear with me. Here we go. So we're in. So this is where it's from, if you're interested. Looks like they do other wiring as well. So yeah, check them out on eBay. Not sponsored, unless you guys want to sponsor me, in which case, let me know. That'll be the invoice. It's well packaged in here. And here you go, that's what we've got. So I'm assuming earthing points, no, connections to somewhere, probably the coils, earthing point, and the connector that's on the top somewhere. So there you go. That's what was it, 45 pounds gets you. But hopefully that, plus the new throttle body that's coming, check out unboxing for that soon from Silex Auto. Thanks again, Simon. Yeah, check out Rough Running Part 6, and hopefully it'll be running soon. It's got a wheel bearing to do at that point. But yeah, that's the unboxing. Again, thank you to, was it Motor Cable Balm? And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and see you shortly for more unboxing and part 6 of Rough Running.